Yeah, I want to put something like this and then I'm going to down.
Look at that. Is it a rattle? It is a rattle. Look at his tail. Look at that. Holy crap. And them little ones, man, that's the ones that'll pop you. Yeah, that's the ones that'll hurt you. Holy crap, y'all. That bird's chasing him, ain't he? That bird's following him down here. Wouldn't it? Is he gonna get him? He is. He gonna get that bird now. That bird keeps moving over. I think that he might have hurt one of that bird's family members or something for chasing him down with it. Let me see where it's at now. Is that not crazy? He just chilling, man. Look at his tail.
Oh, he's cocked up. He sees something.
Oh yeah. He's coiled back in. He just chilling. I've never seen a rattlesnake. I mean, not real.
You won't go touch it?
I ain't touching that dog. You touch it.
No.
Them little ones, when they will mess you up. I done.
Wants to kick him around.
Who?
No, I gotta let him do his thing.
I wonder what that bird was. He must have killed one of them birds or something. 'Cause that bird was pissed off at it. I ain't never seen one. Oh, shit. Ain't that some shit? You hear that?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
He was quick.
Yeah, he was.
He's on the face now.
Yeah.
He's gonna let that rattler start.
He got that tongue coming out. He's trying to smell what the heck in front of him.
He said, alright, now. We're close to the rock there.
That bird's still following him, man.
That bird's got
a purpose. Holy crap. I don't think so. Cottonmouths are usually around here, water moccasins, I would assume here.
For all I know, he's gonna come flying out.
Yeah, man. Good gosh, I had no idea. Ain't that something?